The Lee TD330 through dovetail jig can be used upside down on a router table. The TD330 works in combination with the patented Lee E10 E-bush. The Lee E-bush is designed around the 1 3/8 inch industry standard. Your router table plate or lift will require a 1 3/8 inch counterbore insert ring, similar to the one shown here. You can be up and routing in no time with our easy setup. First, install the Lee E-bush in the insert ring. Tighten with the included pin wrench. Finally, place the insert ring in the router table or router plate. The Lee E-bush will work with a wide variety of router tables and router plates. Check with your router table, router lift, or router plate manufacturer for further details on use with the Lee E-bush. For more information on the Lee TD330 jig, visit leetools.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. All Lee products carry a full 5-year warranty, the best in the business, and our customer care and technical support are second to none. Lee products are available worldwide through our network of dealers and distributors.